might need a bodyguard, guardian angel. When things get tangled, this a freestyle for the 7. Man, trying to go to heaven. This hell I've been through, I ain't trying to go through no more. See his reverend, see the reverend, see the preacher. I'm looking for some knowledge, trying to teach him. Teaching the youth, not to go where I've been. Not to go where I've been, not to go where I've been. Not to make dough, cause the dough don't make money if the dough don't make money. But if the dough make money, you might go funny. Wrong. Might be right, but that's wrong. Street life is crazy. Street life is crazy. You got people smoking crack, crack babies. People fighting people over shit. People getting lazy. People ain't got a job. People that want to rob. People that want to take yours because they ain't got. People that think they're hot, but they're not. People that think they're playing. People that think they're the same. People that change their name. People that got AKAs, AKAs, and AKs hidden in the trunk. So they trying to get the pump. Street people with issues. People crying, got tissues. Need all that for the tears. Cause a lot of pain goes for many years. A lot of bloodshed, a lot of wars over the world. Where the world coming to? Might come to a town near yours. Might be yours. Might come with force. Might be the army. Might be something that's armed with a big weapon and you can't even disarm it. Like a bomb, atomic bomb that'll blow up the building and you can't even find it. You never know. What's on the mind of people? It's a freestyle. We're not equal. Yeah. What's on the mind of people? This is a freestyle. We're not equal. People been through so much drama in their life. People are traumatized. Post-traumatic stresses, all the wars. People that die. People that seen other people die in their life. People that ain't got Christ. People that just can't get right. People that don't know right. So how can they do right? If you do right, you might see light. But how you gonna see right and how you gonna do right if you don't see light? See, I am whatever I am, but I'm trying to be more than I am. I ain't trying to live beyond my limits, but the limit is sky high, so I can do whatever I put my mind in it. I'm not finished, ain't no written. It's from the heart, ain't no bitten, ain't no lifetime, ain't no sitting. This is a stand-up, but not like comedian. Anybody I'm meeting in, it's like an office meeting when I'm meeting them. It's straight business, straight good people. I ain't trying to work with them evil people that ain't equal to me. Unequally yoked, but maybe they can't do right in their mind state. That's all confused. They got all rules from the street rules, all confused. All confused, they think they dogs that can't lose. If they win it, trying to get them rims that spin it, trying to get them rides that's tinted, trying to get them fine women, trying to get that big house that they live in. But if they ain't living the right life. Might be the right life when the cops come knocking on your door with that flashlight. Hey, excuse me, can you come to the door? They pull their guns. Like, why you pulling the guns for? Well, we have a call from your next door neighbor said you're making some noise and you're probably moving some paper, getting some paper and selling some drugs to the little kids. What you mean? Ain't no little kids that live around where we live. Well, I don't know. It's just I'm just responding to a call, and probably from a call, and I see you have some pit bull dogs and they might bite and we might have to put them to sleep tonight. Huh, I'm hearing some disturbance. What you mean, on purpose? Because I didn't have purpose. Maybe these walls is thin. Maybe the walls is thin, so why are you a cop that's trying to come to me and act like you're the man? You know, got a lot of thinking. It's like, it's all crazy. I don't know what to believe in. It's like, things that mentally scar you that you go through, but you can get over that. It's hard. But you can. Trust in God. Yo, trust in God. Trust in God, but how can I trust in God when I don't believe in God? But I believe in God. I believe there is a God, but maybe a man needs a God. But everything happens for a reason. And God's been coming up with things in new seasons. He's been blessing me for everything I need in this world. This is what I need while it's filled with so much greed. While we live in selfless. While we can't help the helpless. While we can't feed the homeless. Try to feed the homeless. Why can't the homeless get a job? They're probably disabled from the military war that the government made them fight. Now they're probably pissed that they fought. Why they just get a little badge of honor? Fighting for another war? Why you even fighting for? Why you can't show love? There's only love to turn an enemy to a friend. How come you can't stand up and be men? How come we greedy? How come we gotta kill our people again and again? They said we're doing it for peace. We're doing it for freedom. don't even need them. We don't need hate. We don't need any killer, buddy.